Yo, what is up, boys? Another week, so you know what that means. Another video, another POV drive in the Genesis Coupe 2.0T turbo with some mods done to it, pushing around 300 horsepower. Yeah, I just got off work, so you know we're gonna do our weekly drives in my Genesis Coupe, of course, manual. ISR, full exhaust system, of course, full bolt-on, basically everything except the tune, which I am working on like always. I am trying to get that tune soon, so probably will decide to go with the Alpha Speed tune, but we'll see what's up. So far, of course, blacked out this little chrome mustache thing, left the chrome badge on. Other than that, just black wheels, Adahans, glossy black wheels, tints, of course, and that's it. Intake and blow valve. Let me show you guys that right now. So we got the blow valve right there, and we got the intake right there. That's the K&N cold air intake, right? Does need a little bit cleaning, but I think we're good for another month or two. And of course we got the GFB blow valve, the one that you can adjust things, adjust the sound of it and the recirculation of it. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, everything else is pretty much stock. I mean, I am pushing 300 now, so that's cool. Stock, it pushes 274. Right now it's pushing 300, 305, 310. Don't know yet, never went on the dyno. We'll go on the dyno with that tune. But yeah, let's get in the car and start driving, man. Let's go. Also, titanium tips right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but put some light on it. There you go. Titanium tip, quad tip exhaust right there. But yeah, downpipe, tune, test pipe. I mean, downpipe, test pipe, axle back, mid pipe. Right, full exhaust system except for the O2 housing. Let me show you guys how it sounds when it starts up. Got my Tim Hortons cup right here. Finished the whole large. I need to go to the washroom and take a leak, but it's whatever. Neutral, pause. Let's go hear the sound of the exhaust. There we go. That's how it's sounding on stock. I did drive the car, so it's not really a cold start per se, but you know, it's still making a little noise. Let me show you guys a quick look at the wheels. These are the wheels. Of course, it needs some cleaning, but you know, it's whatever. Alright, let's go. Let's start driving. Windows are up, handbrake down. Bro, holy, it's getting colder in Canada now, bro. If you guys don't know, I drive in Toronto, and holy, bro, in a month the temperature has dropped, bro. I'm lucky freezing. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the winter, but it's whatever. It's a coupe. Good things about coupes is that they heat up fast, especially the inside. It's only what, 2 seats, right? It's a small car, so it's way better than the MDX I used to drive. The MDX, bro, it used to take a minute to heat up because of course the space and all, right? But yeah, but as you can see, there are a lot of cars on the road right now because it's not that late yet. It's only 11, and of course if you live in a big city, 11 is not that late. There will be some cars on the roads. Laziz is popping. Best shawarma spot, not really the best. I still prefer Osmos over Laziz. But yeah, we're gonna take this car through a tunnel, let you guys hear the pops and bangs on stock, and we'll make a comparison video after when we get our tune. There are some cool cars on this road though, I'm not gonna lie. Like Dixon right here, if you guys know where this place is, Dixon and Kipling, bro. Yeah, they have some good modded cars, bro. I just on the way here I just saw a G37 all fully modded out, bro. I'm pretty sure. Oh, there we go. Speaking of cool cars, we got a STI beside us right here. Let's see if we can get a rev. Not revving it. He gave me the head nod. He does not want to rev it. Wow, look at that timing, bro. I'm telling you, Rexel has some good cars, bro. People always say York. People always say Vaughn. Bro, I'm telling you, Rexel has some nice cars too. Of course, I'm not there yet, but like, yo, we got clean ice 250s, we got clean TSXs, we got G37s, we got 350Zs. Not bad. That's that turbo you guys are hearing right now. above. Oh, it's gonna turn yellow on us, no problem. More time to go through the tunnel. Windows down. See if you can get something here. You wanna hug this side of the road. Oh man, I wish I was mic'd up for this. Oh, clutch popping is the best thing ever, but it's bad for your clutch. You don't want to burn your clutch, man. Anyways, I should be very careful with this car because we just got a misfire light, so that's not cool, right? We got misfire on cylinder 1, 2, and 3. The only working cylinder is cylinder 4. I'm hoping it's the spark plugs, man. But if it's not, oh, we got some expenses on our hand, bro. That means I gotta work overtime and everything, bro. And I've heard from genuine owners that, yo, it's usually not a spark plug. Hopefully it is, bro. Hopefully it is. But we'll see what's up. See if you can take this U-turn. Easy. Only thing we gotta avoid today is going to downtown because the Blue Jays are playing, and if you guys know anything about baseball, is the Blue Jays getting into that league, I mean getting into that championship, yo, it's crazy. Canadians love their sports, bro. So downtown is gonna be clogged up with traffic, and it's a Saturday night. We want to avoid going there at all costs, man, because I am not trying to push my clutch in first gear, stay in some traffic. Oh nah, bro, nah, we're not doing that, bro. We're here for some driving simulator, not for no traffic simulator, bro. Alright, hopefully he's gonna let me in. He's gonna let me in. Ready? Drop a gear. Because I am running 91 right now. It usually pops better when it's on 94, and I'm guessing that's because of the ethanol in there, but well, it's okay though. We got one more coming up. Now on the highway. Yeah, this one is gonna be one of those talking videos, because usually when there is rain, I try to shut up and let you guys actually like hear the rain, enjoy the rain while I'm driving, because I know it's a vibe. I love driving in the rain too because of the raindrops on the rooftop. Makes it sound so nice. But no, there's not really much going on except for me just driving, bro. I could cut up, but I really don't want to cut up right now. I'm not in the mood. There's moods when you want to cut up and moods when you just want to cruise, and today's one of those days where you just want to. Would you look at that? What did I tell you guys, bro? I know my city. That is all because of the Blue Jays game. I'm telling you this right now because everyone wants to hit up downtown, and this is the only road to downtown if you guys are living like mid GTA. And this guy wants to get in the lane, no problem, get in, bro, don't worry. But all of that, we avoided all of that, bro. We avoided all of that, thank God, bro. Because there's construction up there too that I was aware of. I knew this was coming up. And we got some cops over there. Not want to risk getting pulled over again, bro. But don't worry, you guys. Mic'd up's coming up soon. Well, we have a nice underpass over there. Let's go through there. What the hell? Hold up. I wonder if I can get into the left turn lane over here. Alright, let's take this UE. What I've noticed though about like sedans and smaller cars is the turn radius is terrible, bro. Holy, the turn radius is bad. Let's see if we can get through this light without waiting. Nah, we good. Alright, he's gonna stop, we're gonna go. Let's see this. It's a calm little tunnel. Windows down. Oh, it's actually not bad, bro. See if I can roll in second. That was pretty fun, I ain't gonna lie. Should we run it back? I don't know if I can take a U-turn there though. I want to run it back. But we got a Porsche right there too. And a Beamer. Yo. Oh no, it's a Audi. Let's see if I can spin back. If I turn into this gas station, I could probably make it. Alright, let's go through here. This is gonna suck when I get low, but for now we're good. Boys, let me know what coils to get for my Jenny though, bro. I know some of you guys have Jennys. You guys just like watching these videos, but oh, that's the Porsche. Oh, we gotta go hit that. We gotta go follow that Porsche. I know what he's gonna do. Nothing. Wow, he didn't even do anything. We're gonna get right behind him though. I thought he was gonna do something, bro. He had dual exhaust and everything. It's not aftermarket though. I don't think it is. Let's see if we can find another way to avoid this. Hold up. Let me get through over here. Perfect, that's what I wanted. Come on guys, let's not let the green go. Best thing about knowing your city is you know shortcuts anywhere, bro. Anywhere to avoid that traffic. Oh nah, bro, there's actually a lot of cars today, bro. Blue Jays really got this video fucked up. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, that's way too many cars, bro. Bro, but I love this road though because of the trees, especially during fall time. This place right here looks so good. You got the Halloween decorations everywhere. I'm probably gonna make a 9 AM drive one day here and on the open road. You guys will see why I glaze this road so much, bro. The trees just make it look so much better. For anyone who wants their first car, bro, I'm telling you, this channel is all about tips and tricks, bro. Cause I've had 3 beaters since this car. I mean, way before this car. 3 beaters, bro. I went through a Dodge Journey. I went through a Honda Pilot. And I went through a MDX. Notice how I only got the American ones, cause I knew Americans, bro. American cars, they are so hard to maintain. Oh my god, bro. Like, you guys can feel it in my voice how like scared I am of American cars. Just doing regular maintenance on American cars is so like, all right, like I don't know about the sports cars because I feel like it might be more accessible to work on them, but the SUV that I had a Dodge Journey, bro. The Dodge Journey, all I needed was a spark plug change. The spark plugs were under the fucking, I don't even remember, bro. It's crazy. But I remember we had to take down like 3 different things to just get access into the spark plugs, bro. Meanwhile, on these Honda engines, they're right there. All you gotta do is pop it off and pop off the cover and get to work, bro. Can we make this lake? Yes, we can. No cops, please. Thank you. Alright, boys, so I think that this is enough of me yapping. Hope you enjoyed my yap fest with my driving. We didn't really get that Porsche to rev. We didn't get that STI to rev. I don't know, bro. It was airballs on airballs today. But yeah, just a weekly video, a weekly POV drive. I wish we had less traffic though, to make it look a little more calmer. But yeah, traffic simulator today. Coolio. I'm gonna see you guys next week. Hopefully, who knows, I might even get the tune. We'll see what's up. Alright though, see you guys next week. Bye bye.